In this video, I'll show you how to make a PayPal.me payment link. First, sign in to your PayPal account and open the PayPal.me section from your account settings or dashboard. If you haven't created a PayPal.me profile yet, follow the prompts to choose your unique PayPal.me username and complete the setup. Next, once your PayPal.me page has been created, you'll receive a personalized payment link in the format paypal.me/your username. You can use this link to request payments from friends, customers, or clients without having to share your email address. After that, if you want to request a specific amount, simply add the amount to the end of your PayPal.me link. For example, your personalized link can direct someone to pay a fixed amount, making the payment process faster and more convenient. Before sharing the link, review your PayPal.me page to make sure your profile information and payment preferences are correct. Now, copy your PayPal.me link and share it through email, text message, social media, or your website. Open the link yourself in a browser to verify that it loads correctly and takes users directly to your PayPal payment page. This quick test helps ensure your customers will have a smooth payment experience. Finally, monitor your incoming payments from the activity section of your PayPal account. You can review completed transactions, send reminders if needed, and continue using the same PayPal.me link for future payment requests without creating a new one each time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a PayPal.me payment link. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.